If you're looking to optimize your product listings on Amazon, JungleScout is one of the most powerful tools available to streamline the process and boost your sales. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to leverage JungleScout for product listing optimization, ensuring that you're getting the most out of every feature. First, let's talk about why product listing optimization is so important. It's all about standing out in a crowded marketplace. With thousands of competitors, your product needs to grab attention, convert viewers into buyers, and rank higher in Amazon search results. JungleScout offers a set of tools designed to help you with just that, from keyword research to tracking your competition. One of the first things you'll want to do when you start using JungleScout is conduct keyword research. You want to make sure your product title, bullet points, and description contain the keywords your customers are searching for. JungleScout's Keyword Scout tool allows you to search for high-performing keywords that will improve your search visibility. This tool not only shows you the search volume, but also provides insights into the competition and potential profitability, helping you choose keywords that make sense for your product. But keyword research is only one piece of the puzzle. You need to make sure your product listing is fully optimized for conversions. This is where JungleScout's Listing Builder comes in. With the Listing Builder, you can create and optimize your product titles, bullet points, and descriptions. The tool provides a checklist to ensure that you're including the most important elements, like your main keywords, product features, and benefits. The best part? JungleScout compares your listing with top competitors, so you can adjust your content to make sure you're standing out in the market. Another feature you'll want to use is the product tracker. This lets you keep an eye on your competitors' performance over time. By tracking your competitors' product listings, you can learn what's working for them and apply similar strategies to your own listings. The product tracker shows you sales volume, price changes, and ranking trends, giving you critical data that helps you stay ahead of the curve. JungleScout's review tracker is also a game changer for optimization. Product reviews play a huge role in conversion rates, and this tool lets you monitor your competitors' reviews while also gathering insights into what customers are saying about similar products. By analyzing both positive and negative reviews, you can refine your listing to address common concerns and highlight features that customers love. Now, you might be wondering how to use these features together to create the best product listing possible. The key is integration. Start with keyword research to find the best keywords for your product. Then, use the Listing Builder to craft a high-converting listing that includes those keywords in the title, bullet points, and description. As you monitor your competitors with the product tracker and review tracker, you'll gather even more data to continue optimizing your listing. And here's something you don't want to miss. You can use JungleScout for completely free right now, with an exclusive bonus available through the first link in the description. That's right. By using this link, you can take advantage of an extended free trial, giving you full access to all these powerful tools. Make sure to stick around to see exactly how to get started and take full advantage of the JungleScout features I've covered in this video. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your Amazon listings and maximize your sales potential. With this extended free trial, you'll have everything you need to start improving your listings and boosting your rankings, no strings attached. Check out the link in the description to get started today, and I'll see you in the next video.